Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faith. It's time to have faith. Faith without works are dead. You have a new idea. It's time to act on it. Bring it to light. If you can think it, you can create it. No matter how impossible the world may say it is, or if it's not even coming to our reality yet, you may be the first to create it. We are all great creators down here. So it's time to tap into your creativity, which you're a very creative sign, and then lock it down and create your life. It's going to be life-changing, and you will love yourself and appreciate yourself from putting in the work. I am confident I will achieve my goals, and I live in the present. I have faith in the future, and I firmly believe in my value in the universe is priceless. When you're priceless, you have priceless thoughts, and you're treated as such. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ loves you and wants the best for you. Therefore, they planted this idea, but faith without works are dead. We need you to put some walk behind that talk, some bite behind that bark, and go get and create your blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.